back to another video. I want to show you about a little technique that's been really good to me so far this year. Is just throwing the underspin. There's a few I've been using, like the cool baits, but they're out of stock a lot of times. So I talked to my buddy Edwin over at Fish and Baits, and I wanted to show you what he made me, and makes these really sweet underspins. And a good size that I personally like is 3/16, just because you can throw it up there really shallow and you don't get snagged as long as you start reeling right away. But check out these underspins. Yeah, it says 3/16, the Fish and Baits underspin, and just get it rigged up in a 2.8 Castaic, and that's what's been so good for me a lot of this year. So check this video out. I was out there at the lower lake throwing this thing around, and did pretty good. What's up, guys? Another June afternoon. It's warm. This is that week where it's in the high 90s, or no, low 90s to start, and then this weekend's gonna be right around 100, I think 3 days in a row. So water temp, first time up over 70 in the afternoon here that I've seen when I'm just arriving. I mean, it's been close to that, but it's a lot warmer water temp. And just gonna continue to kind of do what I've been doing. Underspins, a little chatterbait maybe, just stuff that imitates bait. Work it shallow, a little offshore stuff, around grass. Maybe throw the big swim bait here too a little bit. I gotta spend some time throwing the UFO. But yeah, all right guys, well, we'll see you on the water and see what we can pull in. Hopefully something big, let's go. Got a little chatterbait. The skirt just fell off before I could even start fishing it. So we got chatterbait without a skirt. I don't know, whatever. It's kind of like the willow vibe now. Got the UFO, let's go. Got the little Fish and Bait underspin, little 3/16 with this little 2.5 paddle tail. There you go with the old underspin. Let's go. The Fish and underspin. Woo! Little Fish and underspin 3/16 on the BFS setup. Love it. Good little dude. Number 2 on the Fish and underspin. Yep. Two on the Fish and underspin. Getting bigger. About little. Number 3 on the Fish and underspin, getting bigger. Yeah. Another spin. right, number 3 on that Fish from Underspin. Sweet. You know what's cool about this bait, which is different with using the cool baits, which is cool and everything, but the Castaic lasts on this bait. I'm going through tons of them, so it's nice. Same Castaic, 3 fish, so let's keep. Thanks, man. One in the shade. God. Shoot, number, dude, no, 5 or 6 on the Fish from Underspin. Oh yeah. Oh dude, though. They're all 1-pounders. Hey, brother one. Another one on the Underspin, fishing baits. Alright, another one on the Fish from Underspin. Well, that's a little guy's bait, but they're smashing it. Underspin. That's a better one. Finally. Yeah, I couldn't even feel that guy. Yeah. All right. There's a chunky one on the Underspin. Woo. All right, best one on the Underspin. Fish him. Pretty good bite. Underspin. Alrighty. Heavier one. Not huge though. Little net full. There we go. Bigger and bigger as we get later here. Yeah. There we go. There's a nice two something, finally. All right, big one. Get 2+. It's nice and heavy, actually. Could be close to 3. Fish them, underspin. All right, guys. This one. Two something. 2.8. Just under 3. Nice bass. All right. Let's see how long this guy is. All right. Nice 18. Almost 3. Ooh, that was fun right there. Everything on the underspin. That Fish'em underspin that I got from Edwin. Throwing that cool baits and losing them. I'm like, why don't you get it from Edwin? His are sweet. I mean, they hold up really good. Caught a bunch of fish on it too, so check those out from him, the Fish'em underspin. Perfect 3/16 on the BFS too, so that was fun. Caught a nice handful of them. Finished with almost 3-pounder. Finally something decent, but yeah, so approaching the dock here. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. Beautiful afternoon at the lagoon. Sun's going down. Try to get out here if you can. All right, see you on the next one.